Bill Goudy checking in. Uh-oh. Come on. Here's my camera hog. Lucy Lou checking in. Yeah, she's got cow poop on her collar. Yeah, I gave her a bath earlier. She's so nice and fluffy. And then she went out and rolled in some cow poop. I'll have to wash that off. You know, they shouldn't be messing with this time. Leave the time change alone. This is really messing us up, isn't it? Trying to get our work done. It's dark so darn early now. Are you a good girl? Huh? Are you a good girl? Look at the camera. Look at him. Yep. She's gonna go get him. Go get him. You know, it's been a long time. A long time for me. It's time. It is time. There's several in the club now that have the Crawdaddy's Forge opener. That's a Crawdaddy Forge neck knife. Striker. Look at the goodness, will ya? It tastes like the first one I've ever had. It's been a long time. Wow, is that good? It was worth the wait. It really was. Excellent. Excellent. It is windy, and I hope that wind's not bothering you. It's 52 degrees today. The bottom's supposed to drop out by this next weekend. Yeah, they're talking, I don't know, in the teens, 14 degrees. It's gonna get cold. I think I'm gonna be ready. I got most everything winterized now. Got the pink stuff in the camper, not in my truck camper. I'm going to keep heat in it because I'll be in it. I need water. But all the well and everything is all shut down now. And chores, just had to get them done. Got some mail. Let me show you what I got. I got a letter from Lola. I'm lost on land again. I was supposed to go down to Lollapalooza, but I had, if you're just new to my channel, and you go back a couple, you'll see that I had some major work done on my truck. I had the camper off and I had a lot of work going on, and there was no way I could make it down in the amount of time. So Lost on Land again sent me a sticker. I have a badge on my refrigerator. Now I'm going to have a sticker on my refrigerator. She also sent me a sticker of Lollapalooza, which I'm going to put on the refrigerator, on my sticker board. And she sent me an awful nice letter. It's just so nice. And they're planning on having the Lollapalooza in 2019 at the Lake Murray State Park in Oklahoma. And I've heard a lot about that state park as well. And I am going to mark it on my calendar. Of course, I marked the last one on my calendar too. I'm planning on being there. Whether a lot of things will, be dependent on whether I can make it or not. It's awful early for me to make that kind of plan, but I'm going to pencil it in. I'm telling you. It looks like they had a great time, and it looks like the food was awesome. Papa Texas was there. Rex Lone Star Rider was there. Billy Strong was there. A bunch of them was there, and I can't even name them all. Yeah, there's plenty of videos out there. Frugal was there. C-Dubs was there. Yeah, I mean, Bill Goudy wasn't there. I'm going to try to be there next year. That's for darn sure. I got another package. Let me show you. And the Dan Van was there. I can't forget the Dan Van. Calvin's Corner 72 sent this to me. I normally, you know, open these before the camera, but I tell you what, I just got this. It's, yeah, I mean, that's how fresh it is. I have to travel to get to the mail, so it's like I don't get it all the time. Oh, looky here. I sent Calvin one of my Bill Goudy outdoor adventure t-shirts. Yeah, look at this. Happiness is just around the corner. Can you see that? And here on the back, where the getting is good. Thank you, Calvin. That is awesome. That is awesome. You didn't have to do that, but that's awful nice of you. It's a little chilly right now, but you know, I'll put it on and I'll be in someplace where it's warm. That's for sure. Oh, I'm gonna have leftovers tonight. That one must have had a leak in it. Sometimes these bottles have leaks in them. I might have to have a second one. I've deserved it. I've worked awful hard. I think I will. I think I have me one more. 10 carbs. That's yeah. You know, there's one more person I want to thank. Well, there's probably a lot of people I want to thank, but TSP, Triumph Screen Printing, made this sweatshirt for me, and I'm telling you, I got layers on. I got a t-shirt, sweatshirt, my camouflage, and then I got a coat that I can put on if I need it. And I tell you what, that sun's going down, and I think I'm going to be needing it. And I got my overalls. I got my Arctic wear, but it's too early to be putting on that heavy stuff, I think. I don't know what I'm going to do when it gets cold. I think I've been acclimatized. She's no dummy. She likes that bear's blanket. It's one of her favorites. I don't want to forget Vicky Van Gogh. She was at Lollapalooza also, along with all the others. See, I'm going to get myself in trouble here because I'm naming, you know, and there were so many people there that I can't name. I can when I want you to watch the videos, but A-OK Foraging. I want to quit. I want to quit right now. I'm sorry. I don't want to offend anybody. I want to thank the people at Camp Made. That is just an awesome Dutch oven. And I'm just going to use it for heating up a bunch of stuff. Let me show you. I have 3 bowls of leftovers. This is leftover chili I made, I don't know, 4 or 5 days ago. And I got to use, it's just mainly juice that's left over. There's a few beans left in there, but all the good is gone. I've been eating on that for quite a while. Well, in here is from 2 days ago. That's Salisbury steak. And 2 Brussels sprouts I had left over. And then in this over here is a roast beef I did. Yeah, and that, look at the fat. You can see the fat in there. But that's what adds the flavor. And that'll melt out. So I'm going to dump them all 3 into the Dutch oven and let it cook and let it come to temperature. You know, it's already cooked. I just got to warm it up. But it will be good, I'm sure. Look at this way. It's called the kickstand. Made by Camp Made. A lid lifter and a place to set your lid down after you take the lid off. This works so good once you get it on there. Yeah. I don't know if this is what the people at Camp Made had in mind when they when they made that Dutch oven or not, but I like my leftovers. I probably should just cube that up, but I'm not going to. I'm just going to put it in there whole like that. But yeah, you know, if I was going to do it for other people, I think a cubing would be in order. That's beef broth, garlic, onion. What else? I can't remember. It was good. This is a Salisbury steak. This recipe came from Carolina Chris. And I'll tell you what, it is so good. I've had this several times since his first video on this. It is excellent. It's got mushrooms in it, peppers, bell peppers, nothing hot. But that has gravy. That was gravy in there. Yeah. I probably should have cubed that Salisbury steak up too. Oh well, we'll let that cook. It's so darn windy. I've extended that all the way. I don't know, can you see that? All the way from the top up here, right here, all the way down. So my Dutch oven is just above the coals. The wind is just messing with me so much. Kevin, over at Kevin's Adventures, he's having a giveaway. You need to check it out. I'm going to do a video for him. I'm planning on it. I hope it'll happen soon. I got to get a lot of stuff done. But in the meantime, I wanted you to know about Kevin. If you haven't, go over there and sub him. Check him out. Tell him Bill Goudy sent you. He's got some awesome stuff going on over there, I'm telling you. Some real adventures. I just love them outdoor adventures. I do. It's one of my favorites. Had to pull my camper in, straight in rather than back in. I don't have any gravel down, and it's real soft. We've had a lot of rain. River's still above flood stage. All the tributaries and the creeks coming into the river. And it's been so darn windy and cold. I'm a fair weather fisherman anymore. I don't need to get out there unless I had to. Yeah, so I think my fishing days, until we get some ice, I think my fishing days are numbered. Look, you're going to hear me say it. Look at the goodness. While I'm shouting out people, I want to shout out Deep in the Woods 73. He sent me that knife, and I've been breaking it in. I'm telling you. Thank you, sir. Leftovers at their finest. Now, I don't have any idea what this is going to taste like. This is a true potluck. It really is. They were all good by themselves. Yeah. Oh, wow. Oh, I had some Texas Pete in that chili. I didn't add any, no seasonings. All I did was, you saw what I did. I just dumped those bowls in. I'm hungry, but that is good. Got mushrooms and Brussels sprouts. I don't know, I guess I could use a fork too. I don't know if this is a stew or a soup. I mean, it's juicy, but it's chunky as well. Wow, that's tender. It's hot too. Real hot. You know what? Oh yeah. Ah, that's good. Look at this. Toadstool. That's just like a sponge. It just soaks up all those juices. It really, I was kind of worried that the tomato sauce would interact and not work good with the beef broth and the gravy. Well, it's so good. It really is. I'll never make this again. I mean, what are the chances? What are the chances of having roast beef, Salisbury steak, and chili all in one? Huh? Oh. I'm roughing it. Listen, I'm going to finish eating. The dog's in the camper where it's warm. Yeah. I'm out here suffering for you guys. I'm going to finish eating. I'm going to get back in that warm camper. And I'm going to take a nap. I'm going to get up and do it all again tomorrow. Thank you for watching. Phil Goudy out.